Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Philomath. Hope you'll all like this video.
Class 8 Chapter 1 Exercise 1.2. Represent these numbers on the number line. That the first question is 7 by 4. While representing on the number line, we must consider the denominator of the rational number, which is 4. Here the denominator is 4, so we divide every number into 4 equal parts. Likewise, from 0, this is a positive value, so I have written towards the right side of 0 and divided every number into 4 equal parts. And now we count 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. Next 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. 7 by 4, the place of 7 by 4 on a number line is represented like this. Next, minus 5 by 6. This is a negative value and the denominator is 6. So we divide every number into 6 equal parts and then we count from each point. It is a negative value, so I have represented the numbers on the left side of the number line. 0, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 can be represented like this on a number line. Represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on the number line. We have just represented a single number on the number line. In the same way, here all the denominators are same. So we can represent all these numbers on the same number line. The denominator is 11, right? So I have divided here every number into 11 equal parts. From 0, minus 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11. See, here is 2 by 11 and next is minus 3 by 11, minus 4 by 11, minus 5 by 11. So here comes minus 5 by 11. Next is minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11 and minus 9 by 11. Minus 9 by 11 is represented here. So in this way we can represent all the rational numbers given in the number line. Next one, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Smaller than 2, okay? 2 is nothing but 2 by 1, right? So 2 can also be written as 12 by 6. I have multiplied 2 by 1 into 6 by 6. So I got the answer as 12 by 6. Rational numbers smaller than 2 are the numbers which are less than this value. So the answer is 11 by 6, 10 by 6, 9 by 6, 8 by 6 and 7 by 6. Next question. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Here the denominators are different. So we have to convert both the rational numbers in such a way that the denominators are same for both the numbers. Minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 can also be written as minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20. How? Because we have multiplied minus 2 by 5 into 4 by 4 and we got the answer as minus 8 by 20. In the same way, for in place of 2 we need 20 as the denominator. So I have multiplied here 1 by 2 into 10 by 10. So I have got the answer as 10 by 20. 10 rational numbers between the minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 are the numbers between these two rational numbers. Those are minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, 0, 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 3 by 20 and 4 by 20. Or you can also write 5 by 20, 6 by 20 up to 9 by 20. And from minus 7 by 20 you can take any 10 rational numbers. Next question is find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. We have just solved a same problem before, right? So we have to convert these numbers in such a way that the denominators are same. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 can be represented as 30 by 45 and 36 by 45. We have already learned how to convert these rational numbers in such a way that the denominators are same, right? So in the same way, we have multiplied 2 by 3 into 15 by 15 to get this answer, and 4 by 5 into 9 by 9 to get 36 by 45. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are the numbers between 30 by 45 and 36 by 45. Those are 31 by 45, 32 by 45, 33 by 45, 34 by 45 and 35 by 45. The next question is minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. We have already solved a similar question before. Now in the same way we have to solve this question too. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3 can be represented as minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3 are the rational numbers between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. Those are minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 1, minus 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 6. You can also write the other numbers which comes between these two rational numbers. Next one is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 can be represented as 8 by 32 and 16 by 32. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 are the numbers between 8 by 32 and 16 by 32. 9 by 32, 10 by 32, 11 by 32, 12 by 32 and 13 by 32 are the 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Here you may also have a doubt why I have been multiplying these rational numbers with only particular numbers, because when we multiply 1 by 4 into 2 by 2 we get 2 by 8, right? For getting 8 as denominator in this 1 by 2, we multiply 1 by 2 into 4 by 4, which is 4 by 8. But where in this case 2 by 8 and 4 by 8, we won't be able to get any 5 rational numbers between those two numbers. In the same way, we multiply with different numbers and only write the numbers where we get at least 5 rational numbers between those two numbers. That is the reason I have been multiplying the given rational numbers with only particular numbers. Next question is write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Minus 2 is nothing but minus 2 by 1, right? So minus 2 can be represented as minus 14 by 7. Therefore, 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2 are, it is a negative value. So the number should be decreased, because the lesser the number, the greater the value in the negative values, right? So the 5 rational numbers are minus 13 by 7, minus 12 by 7, minus 11 by 7, minus 10 by 7 and minus 9 by 7 are the rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 can be represented as 48 by 80 and 60 by 80. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 are 49 by 80, 50 by 80, 51 by 80, 52 by 80, 53 by 80, 54 by 80, 55 by 80, 56 by 80, 57 by 80 and 58 by 80.
Thank you viewers for watching this video. Please make sure to like this video, comment your doubts or requests, share this video to your friends and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.